everybody, I'm Shannon, and I am your Gelmoment distributor for this party. I have some kits here that I want to show you what the difference is between the kits when you're shopping online. So when you go on to the website and you click on your hostess's party link, and then you click on shop, if you scroll all the way down, you will see a section for kits and collections. And we have two kits to choose from right now, the beginner kit and the professional kit. And let me see, is there a way I can flip my screen? No, let me see. Whoa. Okay, so I want to show you guys what the difference is between these two kits. And what I'm going to do, oh no, let's flip this around. There we go, this is better. Okay, so I've got the beginner kit and the professional kit here. Hi guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the difference between these two kits and help you get started if you are interested in shopping. And then this weekend or the next couple days, we will plan a day for me to show you how to use the nail polish. One of the reasons why I want to jump on and make sure you guys see this right away is because our kits, they are actually low because we're running out to some of the products like the Cuticle Pushers. So if you're interested in shopping this and you know what you want to get in there as soon as possible. So the Beginner's Choice Kit here's my pricing. The Beginner's Choice Kit is $70. You save a little over $12 when you go with the Beginner's Choice. And it comes in this beautiful little box. You've got a sleeve here, and you have this box with a magnetic closure. It opens like this, and this is one I've just thrown together here at my house, so it'll probably be packed a little bit nicer than what I have here. But here is our beginner kit. So you're going to get a mini lamp. You're going to choose your color of nail polish, and the lamps come in a couple different colors too. You're also going to get a mini nail file. And our nail file is, I love it. It is the perfect amount of buffing on one side and filing on the other side. When I first started using Gelmoment, I was like, oh my gosh, I have a ton of nail files. I do not need another nail file, but these are truly the best nail file I've ever used. And the Cuticle Pusher that is coming in your starter kit is a really nice metal heavy cuticle pusher. The main thing you're going to actually be using this for is for the removal process. So when you choose your remover, you can choose between the remover pads that you use on your fingertips to soak off the nail polish, or you're going to use our brush on flake off remover. And I posted a video yesterday of the flake off remover. And once your gel is softened, then you are going to use the Cuticle Pusher to scrape off the softened gel in the removal process. So this is really it. Of course you can use it to push your cuticles, but it's going to be especially necessary when you get to doing your removal. And then the other thing that your starter kit is going to come with is the nail cleanser pads. So I only had one box, so I actually stuck it in my Pro Kit box. So I'm going to pull off the sleeve here on that. The great thing about the way this is packaged is if you were planning on giving this as a gift to someone, it looks like a gift. Like it looks like a nice, really nice, beautiful package, the way it comes. So in the Pro Kit, you are going to get the professional lamp, the nail cleanser. That is what I was talking about. You get a 50 pack of nail cleanser in the beginner kit and in the Pro Kit. Both of them come with that 50 pack of nail cleanser. And again, you're going to have your Cuticle Pusher, and you're going to be able to choose that. Right now we have two options available, the purple and the fuchsia, and the lamp is going to come in purple or fuchsia for the Pro lamp. And then you're also going to get your choice of removers. Like I was just showing you, choose between the flake off or the remover packets. And then with the Pro Kit, you are going to start with 3 nail polish colors, and you get to choose the colors. So it's all fully customized for you, however you like it. So beginner kit, 1 bottle, Pro Kit, 3 bottles of polish, remover, nail cleanser, everything that you need to get started. And it also comes with a 2-pack of full-size nail files, and the gray side is your buffer, the other side is your traditional file, and your remover. Okay, so the difference between cost, we've got the beginner kit saving you a little over $12, and the Pro Kit saving you almost $20. For my personal recommendation for you guys, and what I started out with as a new customer, was the Pro Kit, because I knew I was going to need more than 1 color to start out with, but the main reason I highly recommend the Pro Kit is to get that professional lamp. In fact, I am such an advocate for the professional lamp that I kind of would rather see you guys build your own kit and get that pro lamp than just settling for the beginner choice kit, because the lamp is going to be a lifetime lamp. You're never going to replace your lamp. And the difference between the two, I've got a mini lamp here, and I have a professional lamp. The professional lamp is going to take 45 seconds to cure versus 60 seconds on the mini lamp. And with the Pro lamp, you can put 4 fingers at once. And the mini lamp, you do need to just cure 2 fingers at a time. So this is going to take you almost double the time on your manicure than with the professional lamp. And I also like that with the professional lamp, it's that much easier to put my whole foot for my pedicures. It just makes it easy. So if you're only going to get one of those lamps, this guy is a la carte. If you purchase it on its own, it's $40. This guy is $25 on his own. And if you become a Gelmoment fanatic like I am, you might want both of them because this guy has a USB cord. So you can use this lamp in the car, you can use it on an airplane, you can use it anywhere you're going to have access to a USB cord. And that this one is a lower voltage lamp. That's how it can have enough power from the USB, and that's the reason why it takes 60 seconds versus this one. It's a little bit more powerful and takes 45 seconds. So I hope that's helpful on the difference between the two lamps here. They're both going to do the job the same way. It's just going to be a personal preference, but my personal preference and my all-time favorite is the Pro lamp. What else do you need to know? Okay, and then that, of course, is going to be the bigger price savings too. So I hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you have questions as you are choosing the different kits. And make sure you are using your host shopping link so that she can get credit for your order. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.